Let's see how we can enable ChatGPT with Apple Intelligence. And worry not guys, even if you do not see it, I'm gonna show you step by step how you can make it enable. So first of all, let me click here on this Apple logo. And now let's go here in system setting. Now look for Apple Intelligence. Now here the thing that you need to take care of is you need to select the language as English US. For example, if I select this different language, you're gonna see so many options are now gone because right now the Apple is launching these features step by step. Because as soon as you change your language to English US, it may be possible that the Apple Intelligence will download certain model such that your system can work in a better way, and then you're also going to see this ChatGPT extension. Now let's click on it, and this will be enabled after this model gets downloaded. So we will wait for this download to get completed, and once this got downloaded, you can simply click here on ChatGPT and then here click on setup. Now click on next. Now here you're going to see these options. So let's click here on enable ChatGPT. So what this will do now, like Siri now will use ChatGPT to answer your question. And actually the same thing you can also do with your iPhone and iPad. Now whenever you're going to talk to Siri, you can always ask Siri to ask ChatGPT. For example, can you ask ChatGPT about the country Greenland? Now it says working with ChatGPT. So this is the value that you're gonna get after you enable the ChatGPT extension. And let's say for example you want even more seamless experience, then you can actually turn this feature off. But what will happen is when you're going to turn this feature off, Mac will not even confirm sending request or anything to ChatGPT. By disabling this option, Mac will consider ChatGPT just like Siri and will pass all the information. So if you are sensitive to what is being shared with ChatGPT, you can enable it. Else, if you want a better result, then you can disable it. So in this way guys, we just saw how we can enable ChatGPT extension in Macintosh. Hope you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure to subscribe to the Mac Essential for more such tutorial, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.